In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through QuickBooks to access and update your business type settings effectively. QuickBooks, a widely trusted accounting software, offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to manage business activities smoothly. Knowing how to adjust settings and fine-tune them to your needs can significantly enhance your business operations. For our task today, we're focusing on accessing the business type settings, which is crucial for ensuring your account reflects your business accurately. Let's start by opening up QuickBooks. You can do this by going to the home page via the link for QuickBooks, which can usually be bookmarked for quick access. Once you've entered your credentials and have logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for managing all your business's financial activities, offering an overview of essential data and accessible features. The next thing we want to do is find the Settings menu. This is commonly represented by a gear icon, located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu offering a variety of options which provide deeper customization of your QuickBooks environment. It's like having a toolkit right at your fingertips, letting you fine-tune various aspects of your business operations. Once you've clicked on the settings, the next area we want to navigate to is the Account and Settings section. This option will appear in the drop-down menu that you will see. It's located fairly prominently in the list, designed to be easy to access given its importance for personalization. By entering this section, you're gaining access to the heart of your business's setup, where you can modify various aspects to align with your business objectives. Within the Account and Settings area, locate and click on the Business Type section. This step involves adjusting particular settings that specify your type of business, which is integral for ensuring that reports, features, and functionalities within QuickBooks match the nature and requirements of what you do. Doing this accurately is crucial because it influences financial calculations and legal compliance features within the software, tailoring them to be more precise for your line of business. So, there you have it. We've successfully navigated the QuickBooks settings to adjust the business type. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you enhance your ability to customize your QuickBooks environment, enabling a more tailored and optimized financial management experience. Remember, keeping your business details updated not only ensures accuracy, but also bolsters the integrity and effectiveness of your overall financial planning. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your QuickBooks settings more effectively.